I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about current electricity. So we are going to talk about how to calculate resistance, how to calculate current. And the first question that I'm having here, the question is saying calculate total resistance. So you are told to calculate the effective resistance that is in this circuit. So before we do anything, we need to consider what we are given. What are we given? We are given these two resistors. So whenever you are given two resistors, when you've got two resistors, this is the formula that you need to use. This is the formula that you need to use. So whenever you are given two resistors, this is the formula that you need to use. This formula means that you multiply the two resistors which are given, then you say over, you add the two resistors which are given. So you say total resistance is equal to, you can pick any one, you can pick this one which is here, or that thing which is on top there. So you can say this is R1, this is R2, or this is R1, that is R2, there is no problem. So we are going to say R1 is 4. So I'll say 4 times 3. I pick the resistors, then I say over, I add this 4 plus 3. What am I going to get? This is equal to 4 times 3, that is 12, over 4 plus 3, that is 7, like that. Then I saw total resistance is equal to, what? So total resistance is equal to, I've got 12 divided by 4, divided by 7. So 12 divided by 7, what am I having? I'm having 1 point something like 1.7142857. The number is just going. So where I can say finally the answer is 1.71 ohms. So this is the total resistance in the circuit. So I've calculated the total resistance in the circuit. So I'm going to write the answer here. The total resistance is what? I'm going to write it there so that maybe it can be used on other questions. So I'll say that is our total resistance in the circuit. This is how you need to calculate, and these are the formulas that you need to put into consideration. Let us now move to the other question. We move to another question. So let's move to the other question. The other question that we are given, the other question that we have is saying we calculate the total current. Calculate the total current. You calculate the total current. This is the current that is in the circuit. So what's the formula for current? Current is equal to voltage over total resistance. This is the formula for current. Where you say current is equal to, where is our voltage? The voltage is given there. Where is the voltage? That is our voltage, which is what? 12 volts. So I'm going to put my volts there. I say 12 volts over what? Total resistance. What is my total resistance? This is my total resistance, which is 1.71. And finally, what is my answer? I say 12 divide 1.71. What answer am I getting? It's 7.017, like that. Then finally, I can say total resistance is equal to 7.01 amps or amperes, like this. So units are very important in physics. You need to make sure that you know all the units that you are using. So this is how you need to calculate that. These are the procedures that you need to do. So let's make sure we know, let's make sure that we understand each and everything that we are calculating here. We make sure that we get the point, make sure that we understand. What if you are given a question? This is another question that we have. Question C is saying calculate current passing, calculate the current passing through. So we calculate the current passing through the 4 ohm resistor. Passing through 4 ohm resistor. So calculate the current. You know that current is equal to what? Current is equal to voltage over resistance, which is equal to, what is our voltage? What is our voltage? What is our voltage? The voltage that we get to have, what's our voltage? So you know that, okay, voltage, the voltage that you are going to use, this is now where a point comes in. You need to know the relationship between voltage and current whenever you are talking about circuit diagrams. So the voltage that is there, it is the same voltage that is also passing through there. This one is the same. So this is what you need to know and understand. Voltage in parallel is the same, but current is different. So it depends on how the question is, but these are some of the key points that you need to know. These are the key points that you need to understand. So how do you go about that? You just say this is equal to the voltage we are given. The voltage is 12. What is our resistance? We are told to passing through 4 ohm resistor, so 4, which is equal to. So what is our answer there? What is our answer when we divide? What answer are we going to get? We are going to get 3 amps. So that is the what? That is the total current. That is the current that is passing through the 4 ohm resistor. So this is how you need to answer that question, and these are the procedures that you need to do. Don't forget that we do offer online tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. You can get in touch with me on this number, then I'll be able to help you out. You can call me on this number. This is my number. You can call me on this line, 0971066747. This is my number that I get to use. You can WhatsApp me or call me on this line. Then I'll be able to help you with mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.